I watched the chamber on a winter night, red, white, and blue in the TV light. The speaker called the house to stand, to hear the heartbeat of the land. But when the words rang sharp and true, protect our own, the many, the few, some stayed seated, cold as stone, while the duty of a house was overthrown. I used to wear that donkey sign, thought we walked the same straight line. But somewhere on that broken road, they dropped the weight our fathers owed. Stand for the flag, stand for the law, stand for the people you swore you saw. The first command of liberty is guard the home of the brave and free. America first, let the truth be heard, not a twisted line or a softened word. If you won't stand for your own soil's sand, then what do you stand for? Take a stand. They talk of walls like they're built of hate, but you keep a lock on your own front gate. A nation's no different, plain and clear. Without a border, there's only fear. Sanctuary signs on city halls, while agents answer the desperate calls. The workers' check is the price they pay, while politics looks the other way. Compassion is strong, but it isn't blind. It can't leave its own kids left behind. Charity's light is a holy spark, but you don't let your own house go dark. Stand for the flag, stand for the law, stand for the promise our founders saw. The oath they swore was plain and true. Defend the red, go white, the blue. America first, not last in line, not blurred by a radical design. If you won't rise when the duty calls, then why do you walk those marble halls? This isn't about the left or right, it's about the safety of our night. The badge, the farm, the factory floor, the courage to guard our own front door. You can welcome hope from a distant shore, but you don't burn the house to open the door. I was a Democrat once in name, but I'm not playing a losing game when you won't stand for your own kind. We leave the heart of the land behind. So I'll stand tall and I won't bend for the country I'll love until the end. Now I'm standing up. Are you? I never fit the lines they drew, never wore the colors they all knew, asked too many questions, walked too slow, saw things other people don't. They said, try harder just to be the same. But different kept calling my name. Every scar I tried to hide turned out to be a turning sign. Every hard day, every fall was a lesson, not a wall. Life don't grade you pass or fail, it just keeps handing you the mail. Being different ain't a weakness, it's a fire you were born to hold. Every challenge shapes the pieces of a story still being told. Life's a school, every bell still rings, through the good and the suffering. Keep learning, keep dreaming, stand tall. Being different's your strength after all. Some folks learn fast, some learn deep, some climb hills, some plant seeds, some hear truth in quiet rooms, some only find it through the wounds. If you're still breathing, class ain't done, there's more to learn before you're gone. Being different ain't a weakness, it's the courage to stay true. Every hard-earned bit of wisdom is becoming part of you. Life's a school, no wasted days. Every loss just sharpens faith. Keep learning, keep dreaming, believe in the strength it takes to be different, to be. Don't rush the lesson, don't curse the time. Growth don't follow a straight line rhyme. What breaks you open lets the light in. That's where purpose begins. You weren't made to blend or hide, you were built to walk outside. The narrow roads they try to sell never rang your truest bell. If you feel out of place somehow, you're closer to yourself right now. It's a gift wrapped in pain and grace. Every moment, bright or broken, is a chance to find your place. Life's a school, so take it in. Every loss, every quiet win. Keep learning, keep dreaming, believe. Never stop believing in the strength to be different. It's a strange old world we're living in today. So much noise, so many words, so many lines erased. They say nothing's solid, everything's pretend, but I still believe in being the best man I can. I was taught to stand up, speak the truth, carry my weight, see things through, not to tear others down or play a part, but to live with strength and a steady heart.
Be a man not in anger, not in pride, but in how you show up, how you live your life. Strong enough to lead, humble enough to see. A real man stands firm in reality. So let's define it clearly, let's let it be. A man is the best man he can be. I see young kids growing up confused, told that truth is optional, reality's loose, playing make-believe like it's all the same. But words don't change nature, and names don't change frame. Being a man isn't hating anyone, it's knowing who you are when the day is done. It's discipline, courage, protecting what's right, doing the hard work when it's out of sight. Be a man not by force, not by fear, but by keeping your word year after year. Strong hands to build, strong mind to see, strong enough to say, this is me. Let's stop pretending, let's let it be. A man is the best man he can be. It's not about domination or closing your heart. It's about responsibility, doing your part. Standing for truth when it costs something real, choosing duty over how you feel. Fathers, brothers, sons to come, the world still needs you steady and strong. Not perfect men, just grounded and true, men who know what they're built to do. Be respectful, be honest, be clear. Don't bend reality to chase applause or cheer. You don't need permission to live with integrity, just the courage to be who you're meant to be. Be a man not in name, but in deed, in the promises you keep, in the lives you lead. Strong back, clear eyes, steady hands, rooting in truth, taking your stand. No confusion, no fantasy, just be the best man you can be. That's how I see it, plain and free. A man is a man when he lives honestly.
I watched the chamber on a winter night, red, white, and blue in the TV light. The speaker called the house to stand, to hear the heartbeat of the land. But when the words rang sharp and true, protect our own, the many, the few, some stayed seated, cold as stone, while the duty of a house was overthrown. You'd laugh at the gall, at the crooked display. If it wasn't your country, they're throwing away. I used to wear that donkey's sign, thought we walked the same straight line, but they're trading our borders for a seat at the feast, while the media's busy feeding the beast. The teleprompter's glowing with a corporate lie, and they expect us to watch with a straight drive. It's not funny, it's politics. It's a shell game trick with 1,000 sticks. They sell out the home front to the highest bid, then hide the receipt like a guilty kid. America first, no, we're last in line, blurred by a radical, greedy design. Don't tell me a joke, don't give me a fix. It's not funny, it's politics. They talk of walls like they're built to hate, but they've got a lock on their own front gate. A nation's no different, plain and clear. Without a border, there's only fear. Sanctuary signs on the city halls, while the agents answer the desperate calls. The anchor's got a script that was bought and paid to keep us all blinded, while the nation is free. You make 6 figures on the public roll, but he's got a yacht and a heart of coal. He enters the Capitol with a modest name, but leaves with a fortune in a hall of fame. How's a public servant on a fixed rate pay, buying out in estates? At the end of the day, they're trading on secrets, they're hedging the bet, while the rest of us drown in a mountain of debt. They promise a bridge while they're burning the road. They leave us the bill and they leave us the load. They're saving the world from a private jet. They haven't met a tax that they haven't spent yet. It's a blind trust set up that's clear as glass, a gold-plated future for the ruling class. It's not about service, it's about the take, while the heart of the country is starting to break. It's not funny,
it's politics.
it's a shell game trick with 1,000 sticks. They sell out the home front to the highest bid, then hide the receipt like a guilty kid. America thirst, nowhere lasted line, blurred by radical greedy design. Don't tell me a joke, don't give me a fix. It's not funny, it's politics. I watched the chamber on a winter night, red, white, and blue in the TV light. I watched the chamber on a winter night. I watched the Democrat once in vain, but I'm not playing this losing game.